Alright guys,
Another time, man.
we're starting.
On the BMX bike. 3 hours before the high.
Oh man, it's a perfect angle, dude. Perfect angle. Here we go. Whoa! We're going fast. Oh shit. Put on some brakes. Whoa. Here we go. Going fast like that, boy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fucking wet spots. I might die. Gotta put my foot down. Oh shit, foot ain't working. Foot ain't working, man. Whoa! 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 Brakes ain't working! Brakes ain't working! Whoa! Please, for the love of God! Oh, I'm bumpy! I'm bumpy! Ran over a bumpy! We got a U-turn. U-turning. Oh shit! I don't see my friends. I hope they alright. No fucking U-turn. Oh, good little calm down section. Go section 2. Section 2, that's a big hill. Oh man, I'm nervous. My adrenaline's pumping. Pumping big and toughy. Woofy, woofy. Again. Oh! Oh! Fucking nuts, man. Oh man. Fucking brakes don't work. Hope my friends are alright. I miss motherfucking Pooh, but he's alright. I got another song right there, buddy. What you mean? I'm alright there, Mr. Goody Goody. Alright. They're okay. My friends are okay. They're good. They're good.